Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we are going to be doing an old school makeup tutorial, and we're going to take it even more old school and doing a voiceover. I did this Thanksgiving makeup look that I'm actually going to be wearing on Thanksgiving, so which is today's Wednesday, so Thanksgiving is tomorrow, which is a Thursday. But I am actually going to be wearing this makeup look with this shirt. I'm not going to be wearing the bottom because I'm currently wearing sweatpants. But I'm going to be wearing this look for Thanksgiving tomorrow, and I absolutely love how it came out. We're going to be doing this old school, like I said, we're doing a voiceover. Yeah, I loved how this came out, but I'm going to talk to you guys more after the actual makeup tutorial. If you guys want to see this look, and if you guys miss old school videos like voiceover makeup tutorials or makeup tutorials in general, then please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so you guys never miss out on any of my future uploads. Without further ado, let's just go ahead and get started with this makeup and see how I came up with it. Good morning guys, and happy Thanksgiving. By the time you guys see this, it's going to be Thanksgiving Day, so happy Thanksgiving to all of you guys. So I have already prepped my skin with my serum and moisturizer, and now I'm just going to go ahead and go in with my primer from First Aid Beauty, and then I'm going to go ahead with my foundation from Believe Beauty, and I am in the shade Buff. So this is the skin finish foundation, and what I love about this foundation is not only its coverage but also the fact that it comes with a pump. So very happy about that. I'm going to be blending out this foundation with my beauty sponge from Believe Beauty. Super affordable. So I haven't done a voiceover in forever, and it's been missed, and it feels different. So let me know how you guys love foundation. Voiceovers, I do miss them. Anyway, we're gonna go ahead and go in with my concealer, and I'm going in with the Dose of Colors Meet Your Hue concealer, and this is in the shade 10 Light. I got this from a BoxyCharm, and the shade match is actually not that bad. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply this to the areas where I want it to be highlighted, and then I'm just gonna blend it out with the same beauty sponge from Believe Beauty. I also did apply this to my lid to act as a eyeshadow primer. Once this concealer is blended, I'm going to go ahead with my setting powder from Beauty Bakery to set underneath my eyes, and then I'm going to go and set the rest of my face with my Wet n Wild Photo Focus Translucent Setting Powder. We are gonna go ahead and lock those powders in place with the setting mist from ColourPop, and my fan is not charged, so I had to use my hand. We're gonna go ahead and do my eyebrows, and with a quick little magic, my eyebrows are done. So for the eyes, I'm gonna be using a couple of palettes. So the first palette that we're gonna go in with is the Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette, and I'm just gonna take those two shades that I pointed out, and those are Comfort Zone and Perfectionist, and I'm taking that on a Luxy Beauty blending brush. So really love this palette. It's so versatile, and the shades on this are so pigmented and easy to work with. Then I'm going to go in with her original palette, the Volume 1, and I'm going to go in with one of the her darker chocolate, and that's in the shade Chip. And I'm taking that on a Morphe M433 blending fluff, and I'm just going to pack that on the outer corner and then blending that towards the inner corner. And I'm not going to go past the crease area because I don't want that first two shades that we used to be covered. The third palette that we're going to go in with is the Celestial Thunder palette from Dominique Cosmetics. I did go in with a concealer first, just to make sure that the glitter, the shimmer shade that we're going to use will be much more vibrant. And I do advise to go in with one eye at a time with the concealer, but I think I was in a hurry and I decided to go in with two eyes at the same time, but it went fine. Anyway, I'm gonna go in with that pretty little champagne shade called Eternal Light from the Celestial Thunder palette, and I first went in with a shader brush and then I went in with my finger just to pack that on even more. We're gonna go back to the Volume 1 palette from Jaclyn Hill, and I'm just gonna pack on that chip shade again just to make that outer corner a little bit more vibrant and more smoky. Now we're gonna go ahead and align my waterline with this ColourPop gel liner called Nocturnal, and it's just a really pretty shade of dark brown. And then I'm just gonna buff that out with the chip shade from the Volume 1 palette using this flat definer brush from Morphe, and then I'm buffing that out using those two shades. I meant to point out to the first two shades, but I pointed out to the wrong one. But anyway, I'm gonna buff that out with those two shades. Then I'm gonna go ahead and apply this really pretty shade of cream shade. I forgot the name of it, but it's from the Volume 1 palette, or no, Volume 2. We're gonna go ahead and apply mascara. This has been one of my favorite mascara because it just gives that perfect length and volume from the Benefit Cosmetics Big Bang mascara. I think that's what it's called. Anyway, I applied that to my upper and lower lashes. Now we're gonna go in with two cream products. The first one is this cream bronzer from e.l.f. and I'm just gonna apply that to my cheekbone. This is in the shade Tan Line. And then after that, we're gonna go ahead and apply the cream blush in, oh my goodness, I forgot the name of the shade, but I will have everything listed down below. But it's just this, it's called Bali. It's a pretty kind of like a brick red, but it's not totally brick, but it's not pink either. It just goes well with this look. Once we've applied the cream product, I'm gonna go ahead and set that with our powder product, and I was so bummed that this bronzer broke on me on camera. I've never even used it and I was totally surprised, but it's still a beautiful shade, and this is in the shade Sun Kiss, I think, from Wet n Wild. And I'm just gonna set the cream bronzer with that, and I'm also gonna take this blush shade from the Blink Cosmetics. Again, I forgot the name of the shade, but I have everything listed down below. And I'm just going to take that blush shade and set the cream blush with that. Then we're going to set everything in place with that setting mist again from ColourPop. And then we're going to go ahead and apply this highlighter shade. I meant to look at the highlighter shade and I totally forgot. But, you know, like I said, everything will be listed down below. I had to pack on the second lightest shade to amp it up a bit because I just felt that it was still a little bit too subtle, but in the end everything worked out fine. So they go in with the Catrice Prime and Fine Glowy Setting Mist, the dewy one, and it looks so beautiful. And then to end this look, I'm going to apply my lip combo from Jante Blue lip liner in Brown Sugar, then the Believe Beauty liquid lipstick in Charm, and then I applied the Morphe lip gloss in Shimmy Shimmy. When I applied the Believe Beauty liquid lipstick, it didn't film. It did show you guys, you know, while I was showing you guys, but it didn't show me applying it. Okay guys, so this is the final look. I absolutely loved how this came out. It came out so good. I was actually going to do a close-up, but I forgot to take out the little mascara mishap, but I did take it out. But yeah, this is how the makeup look turned out. It's so pretty, very simple yet a little bit smoky, and I absolutely love the whole brown going on with my nails too. I'm actually wearing Color Street nails. This is the shade Brownie Points. It's unfortunately sold out, but it's so pretty. It's gorgeous. I don't know if I'll be able to show you guys. So I don't know if you guys can see that, but it is really pretty. So pretty. It just has specks of orange glitters and it's gorgeous. Love it. But yeah, if you guys again enjoyed this video, I love makeup tutorials like this. I actually got the idea of doing like a voiceover from Casey Holmes. She did a voiceover maybe two beauty videos ago, and I absolutely missed doing that. So I decided, you know what, why not? My kids are not home today. They actually are staying at their grandmother's house starting today until Friday, so I can do a voiceover later tonight without any other kids, you know, disturbing me and being loud in the background. My babies will be sleeping later on tonight by the time I decide to do the voiceover. But yeah, again, I absolutely love how this turned out. It's so pretty, and I did go back and forth to different palettes, but I had a vision, and I knew that I needed more than just one palette to just create that vision. But yeah, and I'm also very sad about this one. This was actually my first time using this on camera and off camera, and I have no idea why this shattered. Absolutely no idea, but I have to either make use of this or buy myself another one. But I'm bummed that this happened, and it's very funny, you guys. Anyway, like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I wanted to do an actual outro because I wanted to come on here to say thank you to every one of you guys who have supported me, who has subscribed to my channel, who has shared my videos and just watched my videos and liked it and commented. I really do appreciate it. It's been a fast year. 2021 was definitely more like not as crazy as 2020, considering that, you know, we had great steps in trying to calm down the pandemic, but you know, it was much better than 2020 for sure. But 2021 had a lot of happenings, good and bad. I am very looking forward to 2022. I'm sounding like I'm doing like a New Year's Eve kind of thing, but I'm very grateful for you guys, very thankful, very blessed. I hope that you guys have an amazing Thanksgiving with your family and your friends, and eat lots of food, lots of turkey, lots of mashed potatoes, all that great yummy food. I know that I'm going to be enjoying myself. We're actually not going, I'm not cooking for Thanksgiving. We're actually going to my mother-in-law's house, and she is a great cook. Cannot wait to spend Thanksgiving with her, my kid, hopefully my husband is working, so hopefully he can come, and my mom. Again, that completes this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell, and yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys have a happy and blessed Thanksgiving, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
Let's sing a song full of hope, full of pain. Why don't you sing along, my friend, for it's our last refrain. Forever young, ever strong, ever brave. Memories like